Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and practical tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to change currency in Excel 2025. Whether you're managing budgets, tracking expenses, or dealing with international finances, knowing how to switch currencies can save you time and headaches. By the end of this video, you'll be formatting like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Microsoft Excel. I'm using the 2025 version, but this works in most recent ones too. Start by entering some numbers into your spreadsheet. For example, type 100 into a cell to represent an amount. Step 1. Select the cell or range of cells you want to format. Just click and drag over them. Next, head to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top. In the Number group, you'll see a drop-down menu with options like General or Currency. Click that drop-down and select Currency to see a quick preview. But for more control, let's go deeper. Right-click on your selected cells and choose Format Cells or press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. That's a handy shortcut. In the Format Cells dialog box, click on the Number tab. Under Category, select Currency. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the Symbol drop-down, you can choose your desired currency, like dollars, euros, or yen. Adjust the decimal places if needed. 2 is standard for most currencies, and hit OK. Voila! Your numbers now display with the new currency symbol. A quick tip. If your preferred currency isn't listed, it might be due to your system's regional settings. Go to your computer's settings, update your locale, and try again. Also, for multiple currencies in one sheet, you can apply formats to different columns separately. One more thing. Excel 2025 has improved real-time previews in the Format Cells dialog, making it even easier to see changes before you apply them. Pretty cool, right? There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to change currency in Excel like a boss. Practice this on your own files, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.